What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek ROD, back again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Xbox ROG Ally. Look at that. Woo-wee. Look at that. Look at that. Bruh. This is something serious right here. Microsoft came correct with this system right here. Imagine being in the car and playing whatever game you want, like on the go. Like now when I go places, this is mandatory that I go with me. And granted, this is supposed to be a game machine and a full Windows 11 desktop computer or a portable computer. You might as well say it's a laptop, except with game controller on the outside instead of an actual keyboard. But let's take a look at the device. Of course, right here you got your A, B, X, Y. You got a thumbstick, library button, menu button, speaker, and these speakers sound phenomenal. Like, bruh. On this side, Xbox guide button. You got the little I forgot what this called, the Crimson Store, whatever it's called. You got that button and like a Windows button, D-pad, bruh. You got volume up and down up top, 2 USB-C ports. You got a little vent area for the fan to dissipate heat, micro SD card slot. Get that right there, micro SD card slot. Of course, I got 128 gigabyte Samsung card in here for emulation purposes, and we're going to talk about that next. So let me throw that back in. And of course, you got a power button. This power button also has a fingerprint reader in the button. You got your trigger buttons with haptic feedback, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, let's turn it over to the back. You got 2 buttons back here and some ROG branding, Republic of Gamers. Bruh. This is something serious. So let's get it booted up. I already got it turned on. So as you can see, this is the desktop side. Full Windows 11. Let me say that again. Full Windows 11 at your disposal. Look at this PC, Google Chrome browser. You know, and of course I'm the tech geek, so I got my stuff fully organized. If I go into here, of course you can see you got the hard drive. It comes with 512 gigabytes of storage, and also have a micro SD card for 128 gigabytes, which I purposely use for emulation purposes, and we will touch on that. But let me just give y'all a little quick rundown of how my setup looks. Yes, Microsoft and Asus came correct with this system. The price of this is $499 or about $600, somewhere around there. It's worth every penny, like, bruh. So let's take a look at the Xbox side of the world. Let's see here. Look at these different Play stores down here. So let's go over here to Xbox. Bruh, they came correct. Loading Xbox. Bruh, games. Look at all these games to play. I don't even got time to play all these games. Look at that. Woo-wee. So these is all the games. If I come over here to library, get a better look at my library collection. Look at that. Game. That's only some of the games. Let's take it to the emulation situation. Let's take a look at that. So I'm gonna launch that real quick. This system is a go, and I'm gonna do another video talking about the emulation. But look at this, more games. Nintendo 64, Nintendo DS, NES, Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, GameCube, Super Nintendo, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo Wii, Sega CD, bruh, non-stop. Woo! Let's go to Nintendo Switch. Where's the Nintendo Switch at? Look at that. Woo! Games for days. What do y'all want to play? Mario Galaxy, Sonic Shadow, Sonic Mania. What do you like, bruh? Let me come over here. I gotta set my controller to game mode so the mouse cursor goes away. Look at that. Games. Nintendo Wii. Games. PlayStation 2, NBA Street, bruh. This system is a go. Look at that. Woo. PlayStation 2 on the go. Look at that. Look, bruh. Y'all gonna put some respect on this system right here. But y'all get the point. Let me close this out. Y'all get the point. This, bruh. But yeah, that's just a little quick video. This is the Xbox Ally between Microsoft and Asus. Microsoft and Asus, the Xbox Ally. You know what? Let me take it to Call of Duty for y'all real quick. Stand by. Talk amongst yourselves. Call of Duty. Let's go. Let's go. Full PC games, emulation, full Windows 11. Yes, let's go. All right, y'all. It's your boy Randall D. I'm gonna be doing some more videos on the Xbox Ally. If you have any questions, sound off in the comment section on what y'all want me to cover. Microsoft, Asus. I see y'all. I see y'all. Sony, y'all gonna learn today. Nintendo, this is running circles over Nintendo Switch. All right, y'all. It's your boy Randall D. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And y'all know what time it is. Game time. All right, y'all.